Winter in Northeast Ohio is in full swing, and oh my goodness, can you feel it? I have spent the entire day here at Cleveland Hopkins International Airport, and I was talking to 3 News meteorologist Jessica Van Meter. We've been experiencing strong winds here and very cold temperatures. She said wind gusts here at Cleveland Hopkins for Monday, December 29th, were more than 50 miles per hour. That is a lot, and I felt every bit of it. And the temperatures were around 20 degrees. Now, Cleveland Hopkins did experience multiple delays and cancellations, and so they are advising passengers to check your flight status before coming to the airport. That is also a sentiment that is echoed by the Akron Canton Airport. So please pack your patience out there and stay warm this winter season.